Believe how expensive gas has gotten recently.
Prices at the pump are up, but I never pay full price for gas anymore. I just use the free Upside app that pays you cash back for every gallon of gas you buy.
Wait a minute, are you saying you actually get paid cash when you buy gas with the Upside app?
Yes, I get real cash back every time I buy gas.
Does that actually add up to anything?
I've made around $200.
Wow, that's serious extra cash. I'm downloading the free Upside app now.
Download the free Upside app to earn real cash back every time you buy gas. Use promo code TRAVEL for an extra 25 cents per gallon cash back on your first...
Oh! There it is! Hold on. Why isn't my BC370 CRS going off?
The following is an important message from the National Weather Service. Issued at 6:18 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. The National Weather Service in San Francisco has issued a flash flood warning for the Colorado and Dorman area in southwestern Monterey County in central California until 12:15 a.m. Pacific Standard Time.
Family Law, Guardianship.
Indicating heavy rain over the Colorado and Dorman area between 0.2 The expected rainfall rate is 0.5 to 1.25 inches in 1 hour. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Excessive rainfall over the burn area will result in debris flow moving through the Colorado and Dorman burn areas. The debris flow can consist of rock, mud, vegetation, and other loose materials. Hazard: life-threatening flash flooding. Heavy rain producing flash flooding in and around the Colorado and Dorman area. Source: radar. Impact: life-threatening flash flooding of areas in and around the Colorado and Dorman area. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include the Colorado and Dorman scars. This is a life-threatening situation. Heavy rainfall will cause extensive and severe flash flooding of creeks, streams, and ditches in the Colorado and Dorman area. Severe debris flows can also be anticipated across roads. Roads and driveways may be washed away in places.
Alright, got the Monterey County one on KRKC FM. There's KTON.
The following is an important message from the National Weather Service. Issued at 08:07 p.m. The National Weather Service has issued a flash flood warning for a dam flood debris in northwestern San Benito County in central California until 2 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. At 8:07 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, dam operators reported that a spillway is compromised. It is perceived that water will overtop the spillway by tomorrow morning. Flash flooding may occur immediately downstream in the vicinity of Lovers Lane. Increased flows into Pacheco Creek would also occur. Hazard: life-threatening flash flooding from a dam floodgate release. Source: dam operator. Impact: life-threatening flash flooding of areas along the river immediately downstream of the dam. This includes Lovers Lane and the surrounding areas. This includes the following streams and drainages: Pacheco Creek. A rapid rise in river levels will occur along the Pacheco Creek near Lovers Lane. If you are in low-lying areas below, you should move to higher ground immediately. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding.
I can now confirm KDON takes FFWs.
Central California until 2:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. At 1:50 1:59 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Exeter, or about 14 miles east of Visalia, moving to the northeast at around 25 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Exeter, Three Rivers, Lemon Cove, and Lincott. This storm is producing large hail. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. This is a dangerous storm, capable of producing large hail driven by severe winds. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. If you are caught outdoors, cover your head and neck. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. County in Central California until 2:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. At 1:59 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Exeter, or about 14 miles east of Visalia, moving to the northeast at around 25 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Exeter, Three Rivers, Lemon Cove, and Lincott. This storm is producing large hail. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. This is a dangerous storm, capable of producing large hail driven by severe winds. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. If you are caught outdoors, cover your head and neck. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.